So I just got this ring light. This is the Floodlight Cam Wide Plus. Got it on Amazon, of course. So we're gonna install it, and this is what it looks like. Very, very nice. So one thing I like about this Floodlight Cam is that it comes with this bracket so that I don't have to drill it into the wall, and I just installed this base. So a little bit about this camera. This is a 1080p HD security camera with motion activated LED floodlight. It has two-way torque, and you can customize motion zones. I also like that you can record what you're seeing. You can create your detect zones. You could do so many things with this. So after we've secured the cam in there, you can see that you're able to turn the lighting to face wherever you want to face. So it's very mobile, it's very movable, and even the camera area also, you could also move that. So we're just going to screw it in to properly secure it, and you can turn the camera so that the camera is facing the right way that you want it to face. Now after you've done all this, you need to get your phone and you need to start setting everything up. Okay. Installed. Yes. It's connecting to my Wi-Fi.
Setup successful.
We've linked up all the devices. So here are all the settings that you have. It's pretty cool. Absolutely like it.